In this part, we are going to add the model such that when the user click on this pen, a model will pop up here, and just like this one. And we will place the input form here, so the user can type the details of the items, so it can update the items. So now back to our project. Before the end of the body, we are going to add the model script. So we go to the models, and then we copy this one, and then we paste here. And then we can see it needs a model trigger at the length. So we copy this class and go to the edit icon and paste inside the class. And also we actually add ref tag here and we paste here. And the name should be equal to this one. So we can copy this and edit them at the same time. And we use this as edit item model. Now we can try to refresh the page and see whether it's work, and it should not work because we haven't added the initialization script. So the first thing is we have to add the materialized CSS script. So we copy the CDN and then we paste here. And also we have to copy this initialization script and paste inside the JavaScript. Now we do not have any options here, so we can delete this. Now we try to go to the web page and then refresh and then click on the model. Now you can see it pop up here. Now we can edit the model. Instead of a bunch of text, we can delete this and we can delete the footer. And also we change this to edit form. And then we replace this paragraph with the form. And we add the ID is equal to edit form. So it is better for us to grab this later. And then we put two input field, and then we paste this name as name, and this one is price, and this one we change this to number because we want the value is a number. And then we both add placeholder, and the first one is item name and the other is item price. So we can refresh again and see whether the forms looks good. Now we can see the item names and also the item price here. And we also have to add a button. So right before the end of the form, we create a button and the class is btn and we place update. Now we refresh the page and click on the pen and you can see the update button here. So this is how to create a model form for editing the items.